If I were a producing loan officer, I would consider going to Ideal Mortgage just because okay, I'll give you my story. I thought, as I was W-2, retail bank, all of that, I'm showing all of my income. And there's years I don't need to show all of that income. I'll need a tax write-off at some point. Taking realtors and partners out to meals and drinks and all of that is coming out of pocket. I'm getting no benefit tax-wise from spending this money. It's coming out of pocket, as well as withholding all the taxes for the income. I don't really need to show to accomplish the goals that I have. And so I knew at some point that I was going to need to go from W-2 to 1099. And this made sense because of the opportunity I was presented with, people I respect and colleagues that I want to work with that I think can get this done and build something that will attract those loan officers. But in addition to it, we have all the stuff that all these banks have outside of some weird niche products that they roll out to try and attract people, and then you find out there's some crazy requirement to it that doesn't really make it available to a lot of borrowers or something like that. Nothing really changes outside of your comp will be better, obviously. I mean, you could beat that dead horse, but you have more autonomy. You don't have all these trainings that are mandatory required to attend. You should go to them, but you don't have all the stuff that comes with the retail shops. This is meant to just empower you. I mean, that's all we want to do is make you feel like you have everything you need to reach the goals that you have. And there's no fat. There's no a bunch of people with salaries that shouldn't have them, that were relevant 25 years ago, that are somehow still here. And this market compression is just something that led us to this as well. We're watching all these acquisitions and we're seeing all these companies go under, and we're thinking, man, we can do something with this. Everybody would say this is the wrong time to start this, but it could be the perfect time to start this, especially because we know where everyone's failing. We're seeing how they're failing. So I think Ideal Mortgage is worth considering because we're very aware of where the pain points are, and they're the first things that we're building this upon to address.